Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about const versus non-const function. That's a really very important concept in OOP in C++. So without wasting our time, let's see what is a const function first.
Let's go.
So what is a const function? A function that does not modify the data members of a class. In a very simple language, if you want that the function can't rewrite the value of your data member, you can make it const function so that it just open in the read only mode. The syntax of declaring a const function is same as declaring a simple function, but after the function name you have to use the const keyword. A non-const function is a function that can modify the data members of a class. In a simple language, if you want that the function can rewrite the data member state and value, you can make it a non-const function. The syntax of the non-const function is same as the simple function you declare in your class. There's no need to use any keyword when defining a non-const function. It is a non-const function by default. So here I have already written the syntax of our C++ program. I'm just going to create a class named student, and in this class I'm going to create a data member, and that is int age, and then I will create a member function that will be const function. So I just write int, it will return the value of the age, so its return type will be int get age, and now I will write the keyword const after the name of the function, and in the body I will simply return the value of the age. So before moving further, I will set the value of the age to 17, and in the main function I'm just going to create a object of our class, and now I will show the value of the age by using the getAge function. So I write cout s.getAge. When I run it, I will get the value of my age, that is 17. Now let's see if I try to change the value of my age data member in our const function. What will happen? So I set age equals 18, and when I rerun it, what happened? I got an error. The error said that the student age is in read only object, that I can't change the value of my data member in my const function. Now let's remove it and create our non-const function. It will just set the value of our age data member by getting a value from the main function. So the data type of this function will be void. So I write void, and its name will be set age, and in the parentheses I will write int val because it just getting the value from the main function as a parameter, and in the body of this function I just set the value of our age equal val, and in the main function I'm just going to call this. So I write s dot set age, and in the parentheses I'm just going to give the value like 19, and after that I will again show the value of my age variable age data member using the getAge function. So I simply copy and paste it. So when I run it out, I got the value 17 and 19. Hope so now the concept of const and non-const function have clear in your mind. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that.